In this video, I'm gonna show you guys an easy way that you can use to find content ideas for YouTube videos for free just in few minutes. So this will be an easy tutorial. So let's get started. So what you will do is you need to go to your YouTube homepage like this. Okay, just go to your YouTube homepage, and what you will do, you will use YouTube search to find topics and ideas for your YouTube videos. So you just need to ask questions. So for example, I'm gonna ask, for example, how to make, and those topics over here are topics that people are searching for. As you can see over here, report, search, prediction. Okay, so those are the topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so for example, people are searching for how to make money with AI. If you make a YouTube video about this topic, you will get views and you will get subscribers because people are searching for this topic. Okay, how to make a thumbnail for YouTube. Okay, you can ask any question. You can ask, for example, how to do, as you can see, you can ask how do I change the language on YouTube, how do I say goodbye Idian Luis, how do you make YouTube channel. You just need to ask questions. Okay, let's ask, for example, you can also ask, for example, how to find, and as you can see, you will find a lot of topics that people are searching for on YouTube. Okay, so that's how you can find unlimited ideas for your YouTube videos. Just use YouTube search. Okay, and you will make topics that people are already searching for. Okay, so you will get views. Okay, because people are already searching for those topics. Okay, so, and of course you need to make good videos, engaging videos, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video.